Man, look, I used to be bald as shit. Now I got this man weave. I don't know what was going through my mind at the time, but hey, we about to get into it right now. What's going on, everybody? Ray Woods here, trying to crab out the bucket. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm coming out with more quality content. Now, today's video is going to be geared towards mindset and what I was thinking and the thought process of getting this man weave. And it's crazy because I've been talking about doing some type of hair treatment for like the past couple years. I just never did it. I always got a low ball cut fade, a ball fade, or maybe a light fade to kind of blend in with the hair that was missing at the top. And it's funny when I look back at some of these old pictures like you see here, where I had waves, I had a good bit of hair, I had you know, some other pictures where I actually started realizing that I started losing hair way earlier on in my years, around maybe 2013, 2012. That's from all that damn stress in college. That's what that is. But, you know, the whole purpose of me wanting to do this is I wanted to try it out. I wanted to try it out and see how it was going to be, because it's been so many years where I didn't even have a damn line.
You will never find blom 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 a hairline like mine.
My thoughts on the hair, my true thoughts on the hair, it's I like it. I really like it. I really like it. It really, I've gotten, you know, tons of compliments about it. I try not to let all that boost my head up and all that. I say appreciate it and move on. There's you know, it definitely boosts my confidence a little bit, because you do go back some years. I definitely look younger. Man, if I even took the facial hair off, I probably look like I'm 18 again. But you definitely go back some years as far as the visual look. You can't necessarily groom it, but there's different styles and different units that you can use, whether it be waves. Some people even go dramatic and do dreads. You know, I would like to see what I look like with dreads on, but that's gonna be, you know, I might just do a wig for that or something like that. But you know, I really like the man piece, the man weave, or to be technical, it's called cranial prosthesis, and it's it definitely makes a difference. And you go back and you kind of have those memories in that time when you used to have hair, when you used to groom the hair, when you used to take care of yourself, have a clean cut, go to the barbershop, get this lining, have a reason to, you know, wake up in the morning and brush your hair, put your grease in and put your do-rag on and all this type of stuff. So it definitely brought back a lot of memories. It definitely made me feel good, still making me feel good to this day. And, you know, I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. And, you know, 3-4 weeks minimum, you know, as much as I'm working out, it'll sweat out just like a regular female weave. Now, my recommendations, if you do want to go get this, like I said, I'll put my barber's information in the description below. His name is Knowledge. He does a real good cut. He does a good job with his whole, you know, dude is he does a great job, period, as a barber out here in the Atlanta area. And you know, no, he's not paying me for marketing. I just want to, you know, give him some shout out, bring some clients his way, you know. And, you know, it's something that if you want to do this long term, that'll be your decision. If you want to do this long term, or you can do it and try it out. But my main focus, one of the main reasons I did this is because I know a lot of individuals that end up losing their hair, whether it be through stress, whether it be through college stress, work stress, working in the office, whatever it may be. But I feel like I'm that person that kind of broke the ice for a lot of men who was maybe, what's the term I'm looking for? Maybe a little, they lack the confidence or lack the motivation to go get something like this done. And I've had 2 or 3 people at my job, and they're like, man, you know, if I would have never knew about this or seen you maybe on Facebook or something like that, I would have never guessed that was your real hair or not. And he's like, man, they did a good job. You know, well, how can I do this? It was like 2, 3, 4 people that came up to me asking me this. You had people on Facebook that was messaging me talking about this when I posted the pictures here. They was messaging me like, man, how you did it? They did a good job. Your barber did a good job. And I said, yeah, man, you know, just you know, that it feels good that I was able to break that ice for people that want to go get something like this done. So now if you decide you want to go do that, you can see how I came out, and then go about your business and let me see how you come out. So the main question again is, will I get this again? And I'll keep this piece in another week or so, and I probably won't get it again. I'm gonna let my barber know this too, but there's a lot of people I've recommended him to, and me personally, I probably won't get it again. What I really been looking at is I have a lady that does vitamin shots for me. So like she'll do a B12 shot for me, and she actually takes She actually does other procedures to kind of help stimulate hair. But see, here's the good thing about this piece is that now that I got it, it shows me what I can physically look like. So then if I want to go get a real, real hair treatment done, I don't know, maybe if it's Bosley or whatever these hair products got out, I don't know what really is out there to stimulate the hair growth. I take biotin all the time, but that makes my beard grow faster than my hair on top of my head. And I would recommend doing this even if it's your first and only time. It's going to give you an opportunity to see what you really look like. And if you rather have this than rather do something like that where you even pay way more money to do like the hair graft or something like that, I would recommend keep doing this for a period of time until you decide that. And this hair piece kind of gave me the good idea, like, man, I really want to try to grow my hair back out, try to find some other things. Biotin helps, but it may not help in every location that you want it to help in. I feel great that I could be, for some people, even if it's one person, it's been multiple people, but I feel good that I can be that starting domino to knock the rest of the dominoes down and get some of these men to actually go try getting this cranial prosthesis, or aka man weave. Some barber don't want to really call it man weave, but it's a man weave. And I really appreciate the people that reached out to me about this, and the people that I seen in person that I work with that asked about this to see how everything worked. And I mean, that's pretty much it, man. So I mean, that's the piece. You see in the thumbnail what I used to look like. And again, I'll pull up the picture right here. You can see the process when I started, and then you can see my hair in the middle when he shaved off the top pieces when it was bald. And then you can see the piece whenever whenever he finished completely and had the hair, everything blended in and there. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead hit that like button, comment on the video below, let me know your thoughts, let me know if you like the hair piece, if it goes well, if you're looking to do something like this, let me know. Or you can go ahead and click the description below about Knowledge's profile. You can reach out to him, get some information. He'll do a consultation, and then he'll talk about it. He'll give you all the details. He's the expert at that. But until my next video, hey, Ray Woods here, Channel Crab Out the Bucket. I will see you guys when I see you. Deuces.